Hey guys, Caitlin here. As promised, here's a quick little sing-along and play-along video for a song that we're working on in a couple of our ukulele group classes. It's called I Don't Want to Live on the Moon by Ernie from Sesame Street. And it's a super cute song that we're preparing for our year-end concert in a couple weeks. And Kitty, keep it down. I'm trying to make a YouTube video over here. So it's really cute if you do finger picking. And I'm gonna play a C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4 is my finger picking pattern. Then I go to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times on A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna sing it pretty slow. You can also strum along if you'd rather just strum instead of finger picking. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Well, I'd like to visit the moon on a rocket ship high in the air. Yes, I'd like to visit the moon, but I don't think I'd like to live there. Though I'd like to look down at the earth from above, I would miss all the places and the people I love. So although I might like it for one afternoon, I don't want to live on the moon. Like to travel under the sea, I could meet all the fish everywhere. Yes, I travel under the sea, but I don't think I'd like to live there. I might stay for a day there if I had my wish, but there's not much to do when your friends are all fish, and an oyster and clam aren't a real family. I don't want to live in the sea. Like to visit the jungle, hear the lions roar, go back in time and meet a dinosaur. There are so many strange places I'd like to be, but none of them permanently. So if I should visit the moon, well, I'll dance on a moonbeam, and then I will make a wish on a star, and I'll wish I was home once again. Though I'd like to look down at the earth from above, I would miss all the places and the people I love. 'Cause I know I'll be coming home soon. I don't want